In this short lesson, we're going to learn how to say yes and no in Spanish. Sí y no. In Spanish, the words for yes and no are very simple, and they work just like in English. Sí means yes, and no means no. For example, we can ask, ¿La casa es verde?, which means, is the house green? And we can answer, sí, la casa es verde, which means, yes, the house is green. We can ask, ¿Ellos son de Canadá?, which means, they are from Canada. And we can answer, sí, ellos son canadienses, which means, yes, they are Canadian. We can ask, ¿El lápiz es anaranjado?, which means, the pencil is orange. And we can answer, sí, el lápiz es anaranjado, which means, yes, the pencil is orange. We can ask, ¿Los gatos son blancos?, which means, the cats are white. And we can answer, no, los gatos son anaranjados, which means, no, the cats are orange. We can ask, las flores son amarillas, which means, the flowers are yellow. And we can answer, no, las flores son rojas, which means, no, the flowers are red. We can ask, ¿El balón es azul?, which means, is the ball blue? And we can answer, no, el balón no es azul, which means, no, the ball is not blue. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on sí and no, how to say yes and no in Spanish. In this lesson, I showed you a few simple examples to help you understand how these words are used in real conversations. In the practice video for this module, we'll go through several exercises to review this and everything else you've learned so far. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next video.